YouTube, I'm back with another one. Villain X. This what we got today. It's a snowstorm, and I got the AMG GT63s out in the snow. But to show y'all how to drive in the snow. POV. As y'all can see, they got the trucks out. It's nasty outside, but I love y'all, and I want y'all to show how to drive in the snow. She frozen, boys. Man. As y'all can see, snow everywhere. I'm about to mount up. We're gonna go for a ride. Gotta put her in snow mode. And let's go. As y'all can see, man, it's nasty as a motherfucker outside. And don't mind my tire pressure in the engine, like. Hey, don't forget, you gotta raise the vehicle. Raise the vehicle up. How y'all days going wherever y'all at, man? Mine ain't going too hot. I gotta drive the GT in the snow, but I'm doing it for y'all, man, so y'all can see how she drive in the snow. Let me know in the comments if y'all thought the car was good in the snow or not. And further ado, I'm about to be quiet, y'all. Hey guys, don't ever get left in a snowstorm without getting groceries and stuff, man. I gotta go to the store, get a soda, a bag of chips. What's y'all chips? I like Doritos and salt and vinegar chips. Those are my favorites. I forgot to get it. So then don't end up like me, man, with the AMG in the snow. And if you guys are wondering, the AMG GT63s, this particular model is a 4MATIC, and it's all-wheel drive. That's why I'm driving so good in the snow, because it's all-wheel drive. And all my car guys, y'all know what I mean. Them see them Hellcats and them Scat Packs and them red eyes, and man, listen, them Chargers and Challengers, they can't go nowhere in the snow. Them boys stuck. They be slipping and sliding everywhere. That's why it's always good to always have an all-wheel drive car. Just a fun fact. This 700 plus horsepower beast can still drive in the snow. Gotta run the store, y'all. I'll be right back. I'll be back, guys. Let's see what the highway hitting on, y'all. Make sure we in slippery mode. Yep. Y'all can see my engine light came back off. I told you, I just need to put some gas in the car. My car in particular, man, there ain't no gas. Engine light come on sometimes. I'll be out go nice and slow. Can't damage the goods. And I'm probably the first person on YouTube that got the AMG GT63s in the snow. Let's go. Hey man, can we like try to get this video up to like 100 or 200 likes? Please, guys. Come on, guys. I got the car in the snow for y'all. Y'all can at least give me 100 to 200 likes, and make sure y'all comment so I can talk to you guys, man. Always like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I would highly appreciate it. And don't forget, I didn't forget about the giveaway. I've been seeing you guys talk about the PS5s, Jordans, and stuff like that. Look, I'm gonna put everything together for the giveaway soon. All right, we're gonna do 2 giveaways. One at 500 subscribers. Once I get 500 subs, I'll do the first giveaway, and that's gonna be like a little smaller giveaway. And then once we hit 1,000 subs, then I'll do the big giveaway for like a PS5 or probably a PS5. When I hit 1,000 subs, we're doing a PS5 giveaway, and then with the 500 subs, I'll probably do 5 pair of Jordans. Probably them Jordan 5s that's coming out. Let me see if I can look it up for y'all. Hold on. What y'all think about these for the giveaway? I think these would be cool for the giveaway. So at 500 subs, we'll give out 5 pair of these. I'm gonna figure out all the stuff for how people can enter and stuff like that. I'm gonna do 5 pair of these for the giveaway. Since we hitting 500 subs, you guys can't see. Hold on. 5 pair of these. Well, ain't no further ado. We'll talk about that later. I'm about to be quiet. Y'all can watch. Like I said, y'all can watch this in the house, in your bed, anything, whatever y'all doing. Just let me know. I'm about to get quiet. Hey guys, before I end the video, did y'all favorite football team get to the playoffs, or did they not make the playoffs? Hey, I'm a Ravens fan, y'all. Y'all already know MB3. I think the Ravens gonna go all the way, y'all. Let me know in the comments who y'all think gonna win a Super Bowl and who you think should be the MVP, Lamar Jackson or Josh Allen. I feel like Lamar played his ass off this year. He deserved it, and all the media outlets are saying like we should give it to Josh Allen because Lamar already has two. Like it's like a pity. It's like y'all giving him a pity. My bad, y'all. I had to switch batteries. But like I was saying, who do you guys think should be MVP, Josh Allen or Lamar Jackson? I feel like Lamar, like he's whooping him in every stat. Like, come on, bro. What y'all gonna say is his supporting cast? I mean, he got Zay Flowers and Rashad Bateman as his wide receivers, but Mark Andrews goes crazy. So do Likely. Like Lamar just got a good ass team, but so do Josh Allen. Like, come on, bro. Like, I just feel like Lamar Jackson should get MVP at 3. I mean, MV3. Like, come on. Josh Allen, cool. Yeah, he having a crazy year, both of them. But all in all, Lamar just doing a little bit better. He got him. And then they try to give the Ravens 9 Pro Bowlers, and only try to give the Bills a couple. Like they're trying to push the narrative that Josh Allen ain't have no team and he doing it by himself, that's cap. Like, come on, like they're trying to swing it his way, but the facts is the facts. Lamar is MV3. It's okay. Argue with your mom, argue with your girl. That boy is MV3. But that's it, y'all. I just wanted to get my point across on that. I'ma drive for just a few more minutes so y'all can see the scenery, and then we gonna end the vid. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Villain X. I love y'all, Villain Worldwide. Catch y'all in the next one.